Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan here, your English teacher. This time I have taken the chapter The Black Aeroplane from the book First Flight. So here in this chapter, the story Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who feels happy and contented to fly over a city, and then he is flying from Paris to London. Everything gets dark when he was there on the way. Everything was there dark because dark clouds were there. He is unable to see all his direction. He is unable to see direction, and his instruments also stopped working. So at that time he was being helped by someone else had helped me, but it was mysterious who would have helped him. So let's start here. The moon was coming in the east behind me, and stars were shining in the clear sky above me. So the narrator was moving to London, and there he was going to England, and then when he crossed Paris, then suddenly clouds were in the sky. I was happy to be flown high up above the sleeping countryside because all was silence was there. It was night time. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. He was moving to England. I was dreaming of my holiday, that he will enjoy his holidays with his family. 1:30 in the morning it was time, and I should call Paris control soon, I thought, as I asked down past the nose of the aeroplane. So I saw the lights of a big city in front of me. He saw, उसने देखा बहुत बड़ी city with full light. I switched on the radio and said, Paris control. He wanted to talk to control room. Dakota DS 088. Can you hear me? I am on the way to England and over. He wanted to talk to control room. The voice from the radio answered me immediately. DS 088, then I can hear you. You ought to turn 12 degrees west now. DS 088 over. So I checked the map and then compass, switched over to my second and last fuel tank, and then it turned the Dakota 12 degree. He turned his ship to 12 degree because he was being instructed there west towards England. Then he was imagining that he will do his breakfast with his family members. Here you can see here. Now Paris was about 150 kilometers behind. It means he had crossed Paris. Then he saw storm clouds. They were huge, and they looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. I knew I could not fly up, and means due to clouds he was not able to move to the up in the sky, and he was not clear about the direction also. I ought to go back to Paris. He thought suddenly कि मुझे पेरिस वापस लौट जाना चाहिए. And I thought, but I wanted to go home, but वो घर भी जाना चाहता था. I wanted that breakfast also with my family. I will take the risk. Then suddenly he decided that he will move ahead and he will take this risk. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black, and it was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. I looked at the compass. I could not believe my eyes. The compass was turning round and round and round. It was dead. Means his compass was not working. And then other instruments also stopped working. Paris control, can you hear me? Again he tried to contact. There was no answer. The radio was dead too. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see. Means he was in danger at that time because he was lost in the storm. Black clouds were there. Then in the black clouds, quite near me, I saw another aeroplane, and it had no lights. Surprisingly, as lighting is there on the ship, on the aeroplane, but no lighting was there on its wings. See here, another aeroplane is there and without lighting, and this is Dakota, and the pilot is here looking at next at another aeroplane. सी हेयर विदाउट लाइटिंग. सो एक दूसरा भी एरोप्लेन था जिसमें लाइट नहीं लगी थी. सरप्राइजिंगली इट वॉज देयर एंड देन ही लिफ्टेड वन हैंड एंड वेव्ड. तो वहाँ पे जो एरोप्लेन में जो भी था, whoever was their pilot, he lifted his hand that yes, and he instructed him that follow me. He was saying follow me. He knows that I am lost. तो जो दूसरे एरोप्लेन का जो पायलट था, he knew very well that the pilot has lost his way. So he said to follow him. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane. Strange इसलिए because lighting was not there, because in night there is lighting on its wing, it must be there, but the aeroplane was without lighting, so it was surprisingly there. So it was a strange aeroplane, but he was following that aeroplane like an obedient child. After half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me in the clouds. Then it was helping, means it was guiding the Dakota pilot. Now, when there was clearly enough fuel, there was only enough fuel in the old Dakota last tank to fly for 5 or 10 minutes. Means critical conditions were there. I was starting to feel frightened again, but then he started to go. He started to go down, and I followed through the storm. Then he saw clouds were removed, clouds were disappeared, and he saw 2 long straight lines, means he was on the airport. It was a runway, an airport. I was safe, and I thanked to God that aeroplane and pilot had guided Dakota pilot. Now suddenly I came out of the clouds. Okay, I was on the runway, my friend in the black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. No aeroplane was there because the pilot in Dakota aeroplane, he wanted to see who was helping him, but no aeroplane was there in the sky. There was nothing, and the black aeroplane was gone. I couldn't see it anywhere. I landed and was not sorry to walk. Then he went to the control room and he asked about that another aeroplane from the woman in the control room, where I was and who the other pilot was. So he went there and to ask which aeroplane was there that had helped him, है ना. तो बिकॉज उस एरोप्लेन ने उसकी मदद की थी, सो ही वांटेड टू थैंक टू दैट एरोप्लेन एंड पायलट. बट सरप्राइजिंगली शी लुक्ड एट द नरेटर वेरी स्ट्रेंजली एंड देन शी लाफ्ड. अनदर एरोप्लेन up there in this storm? No other aeroplane was flying. No aeroplanes were flying tonight. Yours was the only one I could see on the radar. She told that no other aeroplane was there. Means कोई भी aeroplane नहीं था. It was only your aeroplane. Then he was thinking, who was that aeroplane that had helped him? Then he was surprised at that time. So who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass, a radio, without any more fuel in my tank? So critical condition was there that the author's compass and radio stopped working. Also he didn't have enough fuel. Enough fuel was there only. No, means sufficient, that was. And who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane who had supported him without lights? Okay, so this is here that he was on the way to England, and then he wanted to go enjoy his holidays with his family members, and suddenly he was there gathered with strong and huge clouds. Storm was there. Then another aeroplane, surprisingly, and it was a strange aeroplane because it was without any light. So it helped him, but he didn't know and he could not get information about another aeroplane. So it was just mystery. It remained mystery who had helped him. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind students.